Hey, it's Zach. Grab a snack because today we have 3 new tools and a bunch of updates for you. Alright, let's check it out. The first tool we have to show you today is Encompass Title Bar. What this tool does is this is going to change the title bar up here for Encompass when you log in and when you go in and out of loans. At the moment, you can see in the background I'm in a loan. And if we come in here and we change our title strings for either out of loan or in loan, we can hit preview and we can see what they would be. So if I come in here and I look at all my options, you can see that for fields, all you have to do is just do parentheses with the field ID, and there you go. It's as easy as that to set the title bar. The second tool that we have to show you today is the Custom Data Object Explorer. So right now, this gives you 2 options. You can either open all the global custom data objects, and you can select anything you want to download. You can alternatively select loan, and this will give you all of the loan level custom data objects. A lot of time, these are hidden, so you don't really get a good view at these. The third tool that we have to show you today is going to be management. Management allows you to control the manager to non-manager relationships in your loans. The first thing that we are targeting with this is for underwriting manager and underwriter. So what you can do is you can come in here, set the manager persona, the non-manager persona, what the field ID that you want to set the manager to link these together. Select the role, max loan amount, and the product, as well as the users. And what this is going to allow you to do is when you're in the pipeline, you can select as many loans as you want, hit the management button, and when you go to assign someone, it will pull up only the options that are available based on the product and loan amount and role for the rules that you have set up. After you assign or unassign roles, the history will be available here. This is just part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Now to get to all of the updates for this release, starting with loan diagnostics. So whether you are in a loan or you're using our analysis tool, you can now come in here and clear the grid. Second update we have for you is going to be our Skin Encompass tool. This is a very, very, very big update. So how this works is the Skin tool now allows you to specify rules that allow you to select by organization how you want to style all of our tools. So you can select if you want to apply a rule everywhere, or you can specify organization. The first rule that will be applied is if an organization matches a user's organization. After that, if it doesn't find anything, it'll apply everywhere. And if you don't have any rules set up, it'll just be our standard theme. The icon right here, this is for the main screen, the quick icon right here. The form icon is going to be this icon in the top left-hand corner. And then these 3 buttons are going to be these 3 colors that we use. And lastly, you can change the background. So if I were to go in and let's say activate this one, let's say apply everywhere, and then I reopen this form, you can see we got that theme. And then if I do the same thing here, you can see we applied that theme. The next update that we have is going to be the batch tool. So this tool has been completely rebuilt. One of the major updates is using our new grid, as well as updating the update column values. There was a bug in this before that's now fixed. Checking open loans now gives you all the options for things you can do with open loans. Adding a column is as easy as that. Same thing with removing a column. We still have your history in exactly the same way. You can still stage batch reverts. And last but not least, you can still import reports from the reporting tab, like so. There you go. That's the new updated batch tool. Next thing to show you is going to be our links and resources. So we have updated the links and resources. The pop-up is now our new modal, non-modal pop-up, so you can go back and forth. And we have also added support for Process.Start. So if we go in here to the side menu configuration and we select link types, now you can see we have Process.Start. So there's all kinds of things you can do with that. Send email, open up applications. See, the next thing we have for you is going to be the release notes page. We completely have updated the release notes. The release notes are now done automatically based on our portals. So once you're logged in, using our idea portals and our support portals now will generate our releases. And this looks a little bit differently now. Instead of having information directly in here, all these links will take you directly to either the idea or the support ticket with all of the relevant information and discussion around it. Last but not least is going to be an update to the remove services. So if we do a combination here and type in MERS, and then we do AAA AMC, what that's going to do is that's going to take away MERS down here from our services. If we open up our appraisal, oh, this looks like this doesn't have a zip code. If we open up our appraisal, or we open up any of these windows for our providers, any matching providers that you specify in this comma separated list will get removed. That's going to be it for today's release. Don't forget, the plugin is $1,000 a month, $750 after 12 months. You can test it in your test environment for as long as you want. Everything that we do is hands-off and community-driven, so you can suggest new stuff. You can drive exactly what we build, what features we add. Get a hold of us if you'd like to see a demo, www.SharkeyByte.com. Thank you.